Hello, my name is Jason Miller, founder of ServiceNow Solutions, and we're about to unlock the power of ServiceNow. Want to thank everyone for subscribing. We're up to 614 subscribers. If you can subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Fun fact for you, about 17% of the views on this channel are by subscribers. So there's 83% out there who aren't subscribing. So if you're one of them, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe. So we're going to continue today with our certification exam prep. So right now what I'm going to do is point to this one web assessor link for when you register for a certification exam. There have been a lot of questions about recertifying and what does this look like in terms of timeline. So it looks like we have just a couple of weeks here in order to get recertified, if you choose to do so. Otherwise, they're going to start with London a new sort of program. And all the FAQs are right here. So I won't waste much time on it because I'm sure you want to continue with this mind map. So we're going to add another 3 today. So here's our current mind map from the past 5 episodes. So the next concept we're going to go over is Cmdb. There might be a question on there asking, what is a Cmdb? This is pretty much just ITIL stuff. Configuration Management Database. This should be a layup for you, as I like to refer to it, meaning an easy question. So you shouldn't have any problems with that. If you don't know the answer to that question, then you might want to reconsider taking the exam because maybe you're unfamiliar with ITIL concepts or tool. So if so, then hold off on taking the exam. Just my advice, because I don't think there's going to be a question that's easier than that. And there's not a problem not knowing it. It's just that the questions on the exam are going to be way harder than this one. So let's see here. Let's go to our next concept. What is the CI table? So that's going to be Cmdb underscore CI. And I'm going to move that one over. And then I'm going to show you where it is. So I did Cmdb underscore CI dot list, and it brings us here to our configuration items. And then also up here in the URL, we see it's listed right there. They probably won't have the .list on the exam, but I just wanted to show you how to get to it from within the tool. Then our next one is going to be what's in the what is the CI relationships table name, and that's Cmdb rel underscore CI. So when you're preparing for your interview, they could certainly ask you that one. And I'll show you where it is in the tool or how to get to it. So it's just basically that extension there. And this should be .list actually, not underscore list. And that's one thing to note is that when you see this underscore list, change that to a dot, put it over here, and that'll bring in the .list, and then that'll bring the table up. If you were to leave it as underscore, then it's not going to find that table. So if you get a chance, please subscribe. Really appreciate it. Again, here's our finished mind map for this lesson. So that way you guys can prepare for the exam. I'm Jason Miller, founder of ServiceNow Solutions, and we've just unlocked the power of ServiceNow.